Final stage of Tuckman's curve is the performing stage, the pinnacle of team development. This is the moment we've all been working towards. It's where the magic happens, where the team is finally operating as a well-oiled machine, efficiently working towards their shared goals. In the performing stage, the team has matured. They've weathered the storm and normed their behaviors. Now they're not just a group of individuals, but a cohesive unit, a team in the truest sense. They understand each other's strengths and weaknesses and leverage these to maximize efficiency. Challenges are no longer seen as roadblocks, but as opportunities to further improve and innovate. The team has developed a level of independence where they can resolve issues and make decisions without reliance on a leader. This stage is characterized by high productivity as the team is fully focused on achieving the common goals. Remember, reaching the performing stage doesn't mean the end of the journey. It's a continuous process of maintaining the team's performance, adapting to change, and striving for improvement. Understanding the performing stage can help you maintain high levels of team performance and productivity.